Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 27th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro dollar, this is the last impulsive move up on the 1 hour time frame. We had a counter trend move. We had a correction to that counter trend move. We had another counter trend move. Three waves down to a Fibonacci retracement. I mean, yeah, it definitely did bottom out twice, a double bottom, but that's actually very, very common. 78% fib bounce, nice and golfing move to the upside. That was a perfect entry to go long a little bit earlier in the London session today. Now, I would actually prefer to see a much bigger crescent. I'd like to see a crescent to this whole move up, not just a crescent to the last wave up. But, when the trend is up on every single higher time frame, we have to keep in mind that it may just continue to make little pullbacks and little continuation patterns. Until the daily time frame tells me otherwise, I am definitely doing nothing but looking for three-way pullbacks. In this situation right here, unfortunately, I had to take a page out of my old mentor's book and say that the strategy right now on the euro dollar is to be already long, waiting for an exit, or the strategy is to be waiting patiently for another three-way pullback, another Fibonacci bounce, and another entry to go long. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short when every single higher time frame is in a down uptrend. I mean. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.